Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving this quadratic equation using the completing the square method. So we have that 4x raised to the power of 2 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So the first thing we do here is that we move the constant term, which is -1, to the right hand side. So we have that 4x squared plus x is equal to 1. Now, the next step is that we divide the equation by the coefficient of x squared, which is 4. So 4 can cancel out 4. We are left with x squared plus x divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 4. Now, the next step is that we multiply the coefficient of x, which is 1 divided by 4, by 1/2, and then we square the result. So we know that the coefficient of x here is 1 divided by 4, and we multiply that by 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 8. So we have to square the result. Now, to complete the square, we add this result, which is 1 divided by 8 all squared, to both sides of the equation. So we have that x squared plus x divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8 all squared is equal to 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8 all squared. Now, the left-hand side is a perfect square. So therefore, we can factorize the left-hand side to become x plus 1 divided by 8 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to, now the right hand side becomes 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8 squared is 64. So we have it that x plus 1 divided by 8 all raised to the power of 2 equal to, now at the right hand side we can take LCM, which is 64. 64 divided by 4 is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. Plus 64 divided itself is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal to 17 divided by 64. So therefore we have that x plus 1 divided by 8 all squared is equal to 17 divided by 64. So the next step at this point is to take the root of both sides. So square will cancel out root. We'll be left with x plus 1 divided by 8 equal to plus or minus root of 17 divided by root of 64. So 64 is a perfect square, but 17 is not. So therefore we have root of 17 divided by 8. So we have that x plus 1 divided by 8 is equal to plus or minus root of 17 divided by 8. Now to obtain the values of x, we move 1 divided by 8 to the right hand side. So therefore we have that x is equal to minus 1 divided by 8 plus or minus root of 17 divided by 8. So x is equal to, if we take LCM, which is 8, 8 divided itself is 1. 1 times -1 is -1, plus or minus 8 divided itself is 1. 1 times root of 17 is root of 17. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root of 17 divided by 8, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root of 17 divided by 8. So at this point, we have been able to use the completing the square method to obtain the values of x. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.